At long last, out of all the Mega Evolved Pokemon, this one is my favorite. Mostly the reason is that when I first got Pokemon X, when I was at Professor Sycamore's building, I chose Bulbasaur as my Kanto region Pokemon. One more thing. As my first Kalos region Pokemon, I chose Froakie to be my Kalos region partner. I just have reasons that Froakie, Bulbasaur, and I have something in common. And when I chose Pokemon Omega Ruby, I chose Mudkip. The reason is that Swampert is my favorite Pokemon from the Hoenn region. And another thing is that, let's see, what else do I know? Oh yeah, one of the reasons is that I'm starting to be a Mega Swampert fan. My buddy Nick showed me the demo version of Pokemon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, and to be honest, demo versions are actually kind of boring. I didn't want to wait until the game got released. He chose Mega Glalie to be his Mega Evolved Pokemon starter as part of the demo game. Demos are so boring. You can't even catch other Pokemon in that game. Anyways, I still wanted to learn more about the Pokédex. And since I got Glalie added to my collection, I chose Glalie as one of my... I just adored the way Glalie was in my arsenal. And I've managed to get more legendary Pokemon. Anyways, moving on to Pokemon Sun and Moon. In Pokemon Sun and Pokemon Ultra Sun, I chose Rowlet as my partner. Twice. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
One of Mega Venusaur's qualities involved this giant flower, this giant bush willow sticking out of his back. Of course, you've already seen me draw other forms of Venusaur in the past. You saw me draw the Mega Evolve. You saw me draw the regular one. You saw me draw the Gigantamax one. And this year, at long last, I'm finally drawing the Mega Evolved one. My favorite. I even have his card. "2014 reminds me of Mixels." I know, because I like this song a lot. In New York City. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, play Live Like a Warrior.
Here's Live Like a Warrior by Matsusiahu on Amazon Music.
Push you away. Some days people don't see you. They feel like you're in the way. Today you feel as everyone hates. Pointing their finger, looking at your mistakes. You do good, but they want break. No matter what you give, they still wanna take. You give your love and they throw it back. You give your heart, they go on attack. When there's nothing left for you, only thing that you can do.
Now for the vines. At last, the Mega Evolved Venusaur. I finally finished drawing him. He looks beautiful. Impressed? And this Mega Evolved Pokemon was just a start. This was the best boss animation I've ever created. you master designers want to find out more on how to draw Pokemon like this, leave a comment below and tell me which character you want me to draw next. I'm always accepting requests as long as that's there. As long as it's anime related and it involves Marvel, Transformers, that kind of stuff. Anyways, I better head upstairs. It's already midnight. Anyways, Stegosaurus, see you later. Please like and watch and subscribe. Stegosaurus, see you later. And let me remind you, New York City is the best town I've ever been to. See you later.